once again po, yan ang way nila to inform the whole and neighboring tribes about the possible changes of the weather. Alright, palakpakan po natin kay Greg and Jessie. Second dance po, it is a form of hunting, for they believe that there is no other animals doon po inside Subic Forest can match the skills of a monkey in terms of foraging or hunting. So, for some reason, it also acts as a pastime or playtime for the young Aitas, while the elders po are out in the jungle to search or to hunt for food. Para sa pangalawang sayaw, it's a monkey dance, or their hunting dance. So, showing flexibility and agility po, no other animals can match the ability. Okay, palakpakan din po natin once again, Jessie and then finally po for the last dance, and this time it's no longer an animal movement, pero very important dito para sa kanila. So, for the last dance, ayun ang pagbabayani or war dance. So, during the olden times, when laws is not yet fully established and rules are being set by the elders, whenever there's a misunderstanding or miscommunications happens between two tribes, so before sending po their fellow men into the actual battlefield to fight for the war, normally they do perform the war dance to ask guidance from the god named Apo na Malyari to give them a victorious fight or to make a peaceful solution over dispute. So, for the last dance, ayun ang pagbabayani or war dance. Ilag na lang po kayo, baka accidentally malinis yung araw. Sorry, ganun nila. Biro lang po. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin silang lahat. So, that is the end of the short but humble presentation. Thank you very much to Kuya Eric, yan ang leader ng tribo nila, si Kuya Jessie and Greg, ang ating mga performers.